Watch as a mischievous monkey swings through emerald canopies, its clever eyes sparkling with endless curiosity, a tiny ambassador of joy in the treetops. Nearby, a hippo lounges in golden sunlight, its massive frame softened by water droplets glistening on velvety skin. A reminder that even giants can embody quiet grace. Then, like a whisper from the forest, a deer steps delicately into a sunlit meadow, antlers crowned with morning dew, embodying elegance in every gentle stride. Thanks for watching.